Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to test vitamin B12 at home easy method. Start by reading your kit instructions carefully, sanitize the area, and prepare supplies. Use a lancet for a finger stick and collect the required blood volume on the strip or vial. Follow timing precisely, then compare the color chart or read the digital display. Record the value and contact your healthcare provider if results are low or confusing. In this video, I will explain how to test vitamin B12 at home easy method. First, set a clean workspace and open the kit components. After washing and drying hands, use the lancet on the fingertip and collect the specified drop size. Apply the blood to the test strip or vial exactly as shown, then start any included timer. Wait the full reaction period, avoid touching the sample, and prepare to interpret the result against the kit guide. In this video, I will explain how to test vitamin B12 at home easy method. Quick recommendation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, I love the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and background music while you do home tests. It really brightens a small workspace. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to test vitamin B12 at home easy method. Once the test finishes, match the color or read the number on the device to the included chart for low, normal, or high ranges. Remember that hydration, recent supplements, or lab variability can affect results. If you see a low value or feel symptomatic, save your record, avoid immediate panic, and contact your healthcare provider for confirmatory testing and guidance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.